Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add a card in your boards in web application Trello. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your web application and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an existing account, you can just connect with your Gmail, Facebook or Apple account. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and then you will connect to the application. So the first thing that you need to do now is to follow these simple steps. So basically, to add the card, we will need to go and access to a board in our workspace. Basically, this is my workspace here in this Trello application, and of course, I have these boards. So I'm going to access to my daily board and to add a card. As you can see, there is an option that is called add a card. So all we need to do is to click on it, and basically you will be able to add a card. So card one, for example, and of course you will be able to customize this card and have multiple functions and multiple editings that you can add to this card. For example, you can assign a member to this card like this. You can give it some labels. No, not this. You can just give it some labels. So for example, edit labels, you can give it a color, or you can create a new label. You can do multiple things. You can change the cover, and of course you can the cover can be an image, not necessarily a color. And as you can see, it can be like a customizable image. All you need is to attach a file to it. So basically click on this vision icon, so we'll have a more detailed view for your card. And of course, as you can see, you can give it a description, you can give it an activity, you can add some dates, for example, like that. You can give it a checklist to your card. So this card will have multiple checklists. For example, checklist 1, add item 1, 2, 3, for example. And we are going to, for example, we did two items. You can add an attachment to it. So for example, we can add an image. So let's just start with an image. You can have other attachment to it, and as you can see, we still have in this image. You can make it a cover if you want, or just attach it to it. So basically let's just remove it, and as you can see, we are seeing, for example, this progress or the information that are applied or that are assigned to our card, and you will need just to click on it. And basically, for example, we are just doing like that, and now we have finished, for example, our checklist. And as you can see, our first card is being finished. And then you can delete the other things if you want. You can delete, edit the image, and other multiple things that you can do to your card. So basically, this is how you can add a card in a Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.